let us discuss how to retain and increase customers in a crisis like the COVID-19 situation. Friends, I think as entrepreneurs, the biggest question right now is how to retain and add more customers when nobody is allowed to move out of their homes. Don't despair. There are some very interesting ways to retain and increase your customer base even in the worst times of situations like this. Let's have a look at some of these ideas that I would like to discuss. Revisit your best customers again. Go through your entire customer list and check for your best customers. Call them and offer them discounts and special offers during this time and tell them that they are your best customers. Friends, if there is a way you can offer them freebies, now is the time to do it. Everybody is in the mode of expectations. They will remain loyal to you even after this crisis. Plus, they will be placing orders right now to take advantage of your offers. So this will add to your immediate bank balance and cash flows. Friends, the next idea could be focus on cash sales. If you can offer good discounts for cash transactions and reduce discounts on credit sales, it can work. This will encourage more customers to buy on cash basis. Cash means immediate payment, not physical cash. Annual packages or subscriptions can be offered, and annual subscriptions where people can buy an entire year's supply at a discount. If you have perishable products, offer to deliver these products monthly on time, but take the entire annual payment now by offering irresistible discounts or freebies. Again, it will add to your cash flows. Friends, conduct customer reviews. This is the best time to do that. This is the best time to conduct customer reviews. With everyone at home, they have more time to respond to your surveys, interactions, or Zoom call meetings. Plus, customer requirements might be changing, and it is good to learn about his changes at this point of time. Friends, learn how you can better serve them from these surveys. That gives you the intelligence to make your plans. It is important to take care of dissatisfied customers. If there is a list of dissatisfied customers, call them up and see if you can convert them to happy customers. They might be the key to increasing your customers in these difficult times. Don't lose out on that opportunity. Understand their fears and grievances, and it will help you to improve your product and sales. Friends, prepare the sales team. Identify 1 or 2 deals each sales team member can close by offering deeper discounts than usual. If each one of them can close 2 or 3 deals which were not possible before, maybe you can lower the bar and close the deals now. Reevaluate how much stock you need in the new scenario. Stop holding huge stock and try to clear stocks quickly so that the cost of holding it comes down. Concentrate on lowering your stock in hand. Friends, offer more credit for critical customers. There may be customers who cannot pay now. If these are reliable customers which you know, you can close the deal and offer a longer credit period because your money is safe, and don't lose the customer at any cost.